Hello friends, your bathroom is not small, it is just badly designed. And today I will prove it. I will share 12 simple tricks that can make even the smallest bathroom look almost double in size. Let us start. Number 1. Use a big mirror. Most powerful trick. If your bathroom is small, the biggest mistake is using a small mirror. A large mirror reflects more light and makes the space look double. You have seen this in malls, hotel washrooms, and banquet halls. Big mirrors make the area feel huge. Use the largest mirror possible. Full height or full width both work great. Number 2. Choose light colors for tiles. Light colors always make any small space look bigger. Tiles, paint, anything. This is because of a principle called irradiation illusion. Light-colored surfaces look bigger than dark ones. So choose white, off-white, beige, very light grey. Number 3. Take bigger tiles, not small ones. In a small bathroom, don't use small tiles. Small tiles create more joints, more lines, and this makes the area feel tight. Large tiles is equal to fewer joints is equal to space looks bigger. Take minimum 2 feet by 4 feet tiles. If budget allows, even 2 feet by 8 feet tiles look amazing. Number 4. Use jointless or continuous pattern tiles. These tiles have patterns that continue from one tile to the next. When fixed on the wall, they look like one single slab. Because there are almost no visible joints, the bathroom feels more open. Number 5. Keep the same tile everywhere. Don't put different tiles in the shower area, different tiles near WC, and another tile near the wash basin. Too many tile changes break the space into pieces and make it look smaller. Use one tile design everywhere. Wall and floor can differ, but don't mix 3 to 4 designs inside the same bathroom. Also, take tiles till ceiling height, not only 7 to 8 feet. Stopping tiles mid-wall divides the bathroom into 2 parts. Number 6. Choose simple, minimal tile patterns. Avoid tiles with heavy lines, heavy veins, or too much design. More pattern is equal to more visual clutter is equal to smaller space. Clean, smooth, light designs work best. Number 7. Install a frameless glass partition. Partitions are needed, but don't take a heavy metal frame. Use a simple 8 to 10 mm frameless glass partition. It keeps the bathroom looking like one single space, while still stopping water from splashing outside. Number 8. Use vertical storage, not floor storage. Small bathrooms get messy fast, and clutter makes the space feel teeny. Use vertical areas, like above the door, above the WC, behind the mirror or mirror cabinet, wall shelves, shampoo or soap dispensers in shower. Clean bathroom is equal to bigger looking bathroom. Number 9. Choose the right wash basin type. If you don't need storage, use a half pedestal basin. It keeps the floor visible and looks spacious. If you want a vanity, choose over-the-counter basins. Under-counter basins look bulky and take away space. Number 10. Floating designs make the bathroom bigger. Whatever can be wall-mounted, keep it wall-mounted. Wall-mounted WC, floating vanity, floating shelves. When the floor is more visible, the bathroom feels larger. Number 11. Match color families for a clean look. Your tiles and bathroom furniture should belong to the same color family. Not exact same color, just same tone. Example, grey tiles like grey or white or black vanity. Beige tiles like beige, cream, or brown vanity. Clashing colors shrink the space visually. Number 12. Use a packed, flat false ceiling plus bright lights. A simple flat ceiling looks best. No big drops, no deep coves. They make the space look heavy. And lighting matters a lot. More brightness is equal to bigger looking space. Low light is equal to small looking space. Yes, POP ceiling is 100% safe in bathrooms. Steam doesn't damage it if it is done properly. So these were the 12 simple tricks that can make any small bathroom look bigger, cleaner, and more premium. Now you tell me which point was the most useful for your bathroom. Comment below and I will reply to each one.